Looking to upgrade your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y with futuristic functionality? Meet the VJOYCAR 2025 7th generation wireless auto door handle, custom designed for a seamless, smart, and stylish entry experience. This new generation door handle fits a wide range of Tesla models, including the 2025 Model Y Juniper, Model Y from 2020 to 2025, the new Model 3 Highland, and earlier Model 3 versions back to 2016. One standout feature? Multicolor welcome LED lights. Choose from a rainbow effect or solid colors like white, blue, green, red, or pink, all changeable using your Tesla's scroll wheel. Just hold and scroll to select your favorite. With multiple unlocking methods, you're always in control. Use your main screen, Bluetooth, key fob, key card, or even your mobile app. There's also intelligent sensing. Just touch the handle and it pops out. Or activate pop-up by pressing the P gear twice. Total Tesla synergy. This is the only wireless door handle on the market with a built-in gear damper, offering smooth, OEM-like movement, unlike other aftermarket versions. Installation is easy. No messy in-car wiring and no cables between doors, saving you 1 to 2 hours of labor. It also supports OTA upgrades to match Tesla software updates. With Bluetooth name customization, password protection for Android users, and lifetime tech support, this handle does more than just open your door. It redefines how you enter your Tesla.